Let us get the e-learning portal view from the learner's eyes, showcasing the basic functionalities and features of Divine Life Institute of Cebu Incorporated's Learning Management System. How to access Dlic Learning Management System. To access the LMS, you have to type dlic.streamboard.net in your browser's URL box. Upon accessing the LMS, you are asked to input your login credentials. Exploring the LMS dashboard. When you log in, you are now redirected on your dashboard. You should see your name and avatar in the user menu at the top right corner of the page. On every page on the left side is the navigation drawer. This contains a link to your courses and course materials. It is closed and opened by this icon on the top left of your screen. You can find the calendar, a timeline, or a list of upcoming activities and events, as well as the private files. How to access courses or subjects in the LMS. You will find your courses listed below the image in the center of your dashboard. Or you may look in the navigation drawer under My Courses for links to the courses in which you are enrolled. Once clicked, you will be redirected to your respective course. The course name will be displayed at the top of the page, and the sections in the center column is where your teachers post information about the course. The course is organized week by week, with each section having a date heading. Each topic section consists of activities, resources, and labels such as modules, forums, virtual class links, quizzes, and so on in the section for each week. How to view lesson or learning modules. To view lessons or learning modules, simply click this or your topic in the topic section. This will load the content of your learning module, and take note that your learning module will open in a new window in PDF file. When you are done viewing your learning module, you can return to the course page by closing the module without waiting for the course page to load again. How to find link for virtual or synchronous classes. To find the link for virtual or synchronous classes, go to the topic section and click Virtual Class. By default, the web page will open in a new tab or window with browser menu and address bar. How to submit an assignment, activity, or output. When teachers require you to turn in an essay, activity, or similar type of coursework in the LMS, they will generally have you use the assignment activity. To access the assignment, use the assignments link in the topic section. This will take you to the assignment page. Here you will see your teacher's directions for the assignment, the submission status, and the Add Submission button. If your teacher has asked you to submit a file for the assignment, you can do that by using the Add Submission button. This will bring you to the file submission page. You can drag or drop files into the area below, or you can add them with the file picker by selecting the Add icon. To use the file picker, first select Upload a file. Next, use the Browse button to locate the assignment file on your computer or flash drive. Once you have located and selected the file, use the Upload this file button to finish the upload process. Verify that the correct file appears in the File Submissions field. And select Save Changes. If your teacher has enabled draft mode, your assignment submission status will be in draft, not submitted status, and you will be required to use the Submit Assignment button to finish the process. When your assignment has been fully submitted, you will see the submission status indicated as submitted for grading. How to take a quiz. Before beginning an exam or quiz, be sure you have enough time to finish the exam. Once you press the Start button on an exam, the timer will begin and continue to count down until time has expired. Do not navigate to other pages in LMS while you have exam open. This can cause issues with your submission. You should only start exams from a reliable internet connection. If your home internet connection fails often or has other issues, you may want to take your exams from a more reliable internet connection. Be sure you fully submit the exam once you are finished. If you navigate away from the exam before completing the submission process, your exam may not save properly, or other issues could arise. If issues arise, be sure to contact your teachers immediately to make them aware of your concerns. Starting an exam or quiz. Select the exam from the topic section. The next page has your teacher's general directions for the exam, information about the numbers of attempts allowed and time limit, and the Attempt Quiz Now button. After ensuring you are prepared to begin the exam and going over your teacher's direction, use Attempt Quiz Now button to begin your attempt. After starting the attempt, the first page of quiz questions will be displayed along with the quiz timer at the bottom of the page. To answer multiple choice or true-false question, simply click the answer you believe is correct. For essays and short answer type questions, you will need to type your resources into the indicated fields. Other question types may require you to select the correct answer from a drop-down menu. When you have answered all the questions on a page, use the Next button at the bottom of the page to navigate to the next page, or to begin the submission process if you are on the last page. This will show you a summary of your attempt, including any unanswered question and the amount of time remaining. If you have skipped a question, it will be shown here as not yet answered. After verifying you have answered every question and you are satisfied with your attempt, use the Submit All and Finish button to submit your attempt for scoring. Depending on your teacher's setting, this will take you to a review. Here you can see a review of your attempt, which will show you information about each question and your results. This will take you back to the start page of the exam or quiz. This page will give you an overview of your previous attempts and enable you to attempt the exam again if your teacher allows more than one attempt. Understanding the purpose of LMS features, activity completion, and restrict access. The Restrict Access feature enables teachers to restrict the availability of any activity or even a course section according to certain conditions, such as dates, grade obtained, or activity completion. Activity completion allows the teacher to set completion criteria in a specific activity setting. Depending on the type of activity, there are different completion requirements. For example, your learning module. Your learning module might have the requirement to require view. A quiz might have the requirement to require grade, while a forum might have the requirement to require post, discussion, or replies. Now you have fully explored the access of the Dlic LMS. Remember that the learning management system is your partner in making sure that you continue learning in this new school environment. Thank you and God bless.